Hello my watermelons, today I will unbox this DIY miniature house. You can see that this is how it looks like, but that's not the size. So if you see on the box it's like this small, it might not be that size because the box will be that big. It also has an LED here and it says DIY and it's 14 plus. And there's a warning for children cannot be under 3 years old because they're small parts and they can choke on it. So on the side there is these things. So it's what there's inside. Let me just see. So there's this planties, and there's an instruction how to put the plants in. So you put the imaginary soil in there, then you put the plant in there, then now you got this plant. Also, this is part of it. So at the back there is wood, fabric, and paper cut, and there is this how the house is supposed to look like, and on the where is it? Oh yeah, on the bottom. Let me just see. It says balcony daydreaming, and I can't see. I think I saw a cup of tea or something. Let me read it. Balcony daydreaming. Serve yourself a cup of tea and catch up reading on the quiet balcony. I'm going to open it right now. So it has this plastic thing. I mean, yeah, okay. It's cardboard and very smooth. So we open it here. Ouch. So now I just gotta pull. Then here. Oh, look at this. Balcony daydreaming again. I really like the flowers here. Okay, so I've got all the parts here. Sorry. Oh my god, those are loads of instructions. Look. So, what I can see here is tweezers, rulers, paintbrush, and some paint, and scissors, and a cardboard cutter, and then a plier, and then a pencil, and a clip, and a screwdriver. So I think I'm gonna need some glue. I think, maybe. So I'm gonna flip over, and this is the chair. This was the table. How about let's just do the chair first. So let's just put these out here on display first. Let me just. Yeah. Oh yeah, here's the glue. I think that's the glue. Yeah. Oh, there's some other stuff too. Oh my god. Okay, so let's just put that there. So here it says Rolif, I think that's how you pronounce it. Creative lifestyle here, and there's a picture. On the back it also says please scan the QR code for latest news, assembly videos, customer service, and special offers. There. So here it says happy ? We are also happy. We'd love it if you share your experience with more shoppers. 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star. Then number 1, go to Amazon and sign in your account. Blah blah blah. Okay, and there's these papers. I think this, maybe these are for the plants. And yeah, this one. You see? So then, oh yeah, okay, this fabric is for the chair, as you can see on the package, but I didn't show on the package, so yeah. Wait, where's the glue? This is the paint. Oh yeah, that's on it. Okay, so I gotta look in. So here's some wooden cutouts, maybe cardboard. I can't feel them because there's like this plastic over it. So also I think these are this place. Then maybe this place is the background. I don't know, but I need to look in here if this is the glue. No, there's no glue here, so it just says this is pigment. Oh yeah, liquid glue, I found it. So I'm going to go find the chair. I mean table. So here's the table. Okay. So, oh, it says shelf here. So, number 1. Okay. I think it's this. So, let me just. Look, wrong place. Yep. Then now, we just have to find a specific type of this cardboard. But it says grainy paper on the on the manual, yeah. Okay. So we have to find something with C bracket 36 times 10 on the top. So gonna find it. Not this one. Not these. Oh, this is sandpaper. Nice. Yeah, I think it's this one. No, it's not this one. Well, look at this. I could blind tier number 1 right now. Oh, this looks like wood. Wood paper. So, let's just put that there. Oh, it looks like this one because there's this table and there's some legs sticking out. I'll just do the table first. So these are some papers. I'm gonna call it grainy paper number 2. So then here might be the back. You might attach it like this. And that might be the floor, and this is where the chair goes. I don't know. So let's just all put that there. So I'm going to build the table first. So oh, okay, nice, pop out. Oh no, not the wrong one. Thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe. And I'm going to build the table off screen, and I'm going to show you the result. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe too.